What's up, guys? This is Chad with Living the Van Life up here in Washington. I am constantly looking for little unique ways to improve my life when it comes to living in a van. Making your van comfortable, making it work for you. One of my favorite pastimes is to get on Instagram and browse through the feeds and see what other people are doing with van life. There's a lot of cool, inspiring stuff that goes on there. One day as I was sifting through the feeds, I came across this individual who developed the Westie lounge. And Greg over at Boxier has come up with a cool, unique product that he designed and developed himself. It's a simple product, but you know what? It's got some cool lifestyle behind it. And not only is it a cool lifestyle enhancement, but it's also got some practicality to it. For those of you that own these old Volkswagen Westfalias, know that those latches within the back seat that click into place and allow you to go from bed mode to couch mode, a lot of time those little latches wear out. So Greg over at Boxier, not only did he figure out a product that repairs that problem, but it also turns your Vanagon Westfalia into the Westie lounge. Check this out. Introducing the Westie lounge. A simple kit designed to easily install into any Volkswagen Vanagon Westfalia. By allowing you to flip your rock and roll bed 90 degrees to a reverse position, it unlocks an entire new living space inside your Vanagon. Perfect for kicking back, relaxing, and enjoying your favorite beverage while overlooking the awesome views that your home on wheels has taken you to. The kit is designed as a direct replacement to the original hinge clips of the rock and roll beds found in the Vanagon Westfalias. Designed for added strength and an additional 10 degrees of seat angle while in lounge mode, the Westie lounge enables you to absolutely maximize the use of the rear luggage area, adding to the already long list of versatilities found in the Westies. I'm going to take you guys through the installation process of what it takes to install this very simple product into your van so that you guys can kick back and enjoy your favorite view. So here it is, the brand new Westie lounge kit. These are the replacement clips that come along. They've got the machine screws front and back that you need to reinstall them once you grind off the old rivets. It also comes now with new springs to replace the original springs. So it's a complete kit to give you the Westie lounge. So typically when this bed situation is operating properly, typically what you can do is lift this up, you hear a couple clicks, and then what you're able to do is pull back on this, and that lifts the backrest up and sets it into couch mode. When these clips, like I was mentioning earlier, wear out, then you've got no click and nothing happens and your bed doesn't function properly. With the Westie lounge product that Greg has come up with, it actually repairs that at the same time as providing you the Westie lounge. So the first thing we're going to do today to get started on our installation is we're going to lay the bed out. We're going to flip this over. This is going to give us access to the points where we need to remove the existing worn out clips here and on this side. We're going to have to grind the rivets off, pull those old clips off, install the new ones. It's a simple process, takes a little bit of detail. We'll be on our way. You can see right there the little rivet that we've got to get to. It's easy to get the power tool into, but that's what we're going to work on right there. So once we're done grinding and we start pulling those old clips off, one thing that we need to pay attention is to make sure and grab the washer that's going to be between the hinge and the clip. We're going to have to reuse these, so make sure they don't fall down between your seat and your cabinet or your wall. You guys can see the amount of material that comes off of the grinder tool, so it's important that I collect all of that. Here's the old clip that I pulled off of my seat. You can see how worn out it is. This is exactly why it wasn't functioning any longer. This is the rivet that we cut off of there. It's no good anymore. That's garbage. But this washer is exactly what we need to keep though, so make sure and hang on to that. Don't lose it between the seat. The new clip looks to be quite robust. It's a lot thicker and more heavier duty than the original, so this one should last quite a long time. Keep you Westy lounging for quite some time. Now that we're done grinding off the old rivets and remove the old clips, now we're ready to start installing the new ones. So at this point we're going to take and we're going to go back into couch mode, just like this. The next step in this process, we're going to take our new spring with the new clip. We're going to slip that right through the hole. At this point you can see how easily that slipped on there. We want to make sure that this spring is not going to fall off. So we're going to take a pair of needle nose, just close up the gap on that ever so slightly. And now we can see that's not going to fall off. We're going to go ahead and do that to both of the clips. So now that I've got the springs mounted on both of the clips, I'm going to use this one on the left hand side. I'm going to use this one on the right hand side. And that's while I'm sitting in the living room looking at the couch towards the rear of the van. Left, right. We want these square hooks to be facing on the inside as the clips are mounted like so. Back here in the back corner of the couch, this is where the new clips and the new springs are going to go, just back in that crack there. And over here. At this point I'm going to start on the side closest to the cabinet. We're going to slightly pull the cushion back here and you can see it reveals the hardware for the hinge. At the top of the outer hinge, just on this shiny piece here, we're going to feel down in here, we're going to feel there's a little hole right here. And that's where the top of the spring is going to slip into that hole. We're going to catch that square part in that little hole. Now you can see we've got it attached. And then we're just going to let this drop and hang right there. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same with the left hand side. As you can see, I've got the square portion of the hook at the top towards the inside of the seat here. As you guys can see here, the spring is installed. The clip is sitting right down here. It's just laying nicely right next to the hinge. Now with the new springs and the new clips in their positions just resting there, then we're going to be able to switch back into bed mode. And with that we can see that the new clips made it through properly. They're sitting right in the position where we want them to be because they're going to get installed in those holes right above there. This is the hardware that we're going to have to use to install the Westy Lounge. On the right is the Allen head machine screw provided by Westy Lounge in the kit. In the middle is the original washer. And on the left is the Phillips head screw that screws into the Allen head. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the spring out so I have access to the hole here. I'm going to take that Allen head machined nut that come with the kit. I'm going to put that through first. Then I'm going to take the washer that was the existing washer on the hinge system. And then we're going to slide that over to the hole. Now you can see we've got access to the threads for the Phillips head screw. After applying a dab of Loctite to the threads, I'm going to go ahead and start the threads there. Come in with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then with a 4mm Allen wrench, I'm going to come in on the back side and get it snug. With that we should have free play in the new clip. And it's spring loaded, everything seems to be functional. Well, that was a pretty straightforward process, not too bad. Actually easier than one would think. I'm going to go ahead and get the other side mounted with the Allen head machined nut, the Phillips head screw, and the existing washer, and then we'll see if this thing works. This thing is all ready to go. Let's see how this thing works. First thing what we're going to do is we're going to go into bed mode. Now what we should do is we should go up until we hear 2 clicks. There we go. So that means those are engaged, and voila, right now we're in lounge mode. Well, there we go, the Westy Lounge. What a cool, simple item to enhance van life. Pull up to your favorite view, your favorite overlook, throw the couch into Westy Lounge mode, throw the hatch up, sit back, and enjoy the moment. If you guys got a Westfalia and you're interested in this product, check out the link down below. I'm going to put a link to Greg's website where you guys can go on and purchase your own kit to be able to install in your Westfalia, so you guys can get on to Westy lounging. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Come on aboard for more adventures, more videos like this. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. I want to hear your guys' comments and feedback in the comment section down below. Nonetheless, guys, thank you for all of your support. Thanks for being part of the channel. I'm gonna jump in the back and go do some Westy lounging. Peace out. Keep on trucking. I'm constantly blown away by the experiences that you can have in these freaking vans. Here we are on the side of Chuckanut up here in Northwest Washington. You got the Westfalia backed up here to a sunset. You got the lounger. You've got the comforts of the Westfalia. A wonderful view and a sunset. And thanks to Greg over at Boxier, Crepe Attack on Instagram, Westy Lounge. This is freaking cool, guys.